Hello friends, today we are sharing a hair repair treatment for bleached, rebonded, and chemically burned and damaged hair. If your hair is getting extremely dried and is falling like crazy, then you might need this treatment as soon as possible, because when we use such high amounts of chemicals on our hair, obviously, they would be reaching your scalp too. Once the chemical will reach the roots, it will start damaging your hair. This can cause extreme hair fall. In such circumstances, you can't even brush your hair. Now listen carefully. If you have extremely damaged hair and there is no solution, then today I am sharing a hair repair treatment which will make your hair super soft even after the very first use. First, we are going to prepare a mask. So for that, add 2 tablespoons of pure aloe vera gel in a bowl. Next, add 2 tablespoons of protein mask. Only protein mask will do the job. So protein mask only, but what company doesn't matter. Just a good protein mask is required. Lastly, I am adding vitamin E oil, which you can easily order online, or you can also use vitamin E capsules. Next, mix it well to form a nice thick consistent paste. Now, before applying this mask, just make sure your hair is 80% wet, as we can't apply this mask on dry hair. Note, if your hair is oily or dirty, then shampoo hair before this treatment. You can't shampoo your hair for the next 3 days after this treatment. Next, divide your hair in small sections, as you can see in this video. Now take the brush and start applying the mask to your hair. Be calm and gentle, as we need to apply this very properly. After applying the mask, emulsify it properly. Emulsification is really important, so please be patient. Apply this mask properly to your entire hair, following the same technique. Now it's time to reveal the secret. Now I am using infrared cold iron, which you can easily order online. This has no heat, as it's not a heating iron, and it's quite expensive, but this iron is especially for damaged hair. The infrared rays will help the product reach your hair shafts and hair cuticles. So now start using the ultrasonic iron on your hair, as you can see. But please just make sure to move the iron slowly, otherwise it will not work. Now the protein mask will act as a shield on our hair, and it will lock the open ends. It will also reduce the split ends. Friends, believe me, no other treatment will give you this kind of results on damaged hair. As you can see, we are done up with this step. Now simply wash your hair with lukewarm water without using any shampoo or conditioner, and you're done. Try this treatment on extremely damaged and chemically burned hair, and I promise you will get 100% results. Note, you can't wash your hair for 3 days after this treatment. After 3 days, you can wash normally. Use this treatment 2 times a month, and your hair will become super silky and soft permanently.